So what we're doing is meatloaf, and these two recipes are basically the same, so we're just going to combine them and do them as one.
Ham. Doesn't this remind you of a nice juicy hamburger?
But you're gonna say something else that made me really nervous. What does it sound like, Dex?
This is what good pussy sounds like.
Oh.
It's a vine, old man.
Just edit that out, please.
Or not.
Just please. Eventually, people I know are gonna find this channel. It looks way better on camera than it does.
Number one!
Look at that juicy boy.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Delicioso.
Tasty.
Alright, let's start off this bad boy.
Okay, so this is the Better King recipe with chicken noodle soup in it. Packet chicken noodle soup.
Down the hatch.
Wait, how could somebody come up with an idea of putting chicken noodle soup?
That's a good question.
Poorly.
Yeah, I gotta say.
The texture is so off.
The noodles are disgusting. I'm buying some noodles so bad.
I reckon this would be so much better if there was just no chicken noodle soup in it. Just minus that, and then you practically just have minced meat, and that's cool, I guess.
It's just wrong. It's
At least this one is the one that Jobu can eat, as it has no onion in it.
yeah, that's not so good.
I'll probably give that a 0.5 out of 10.
Yeah, that's bad.
The only one who's actually finished this abomination, as you can tell by the huge pile of returns we have there, which are almost instantly going to Jobu after filming is over. This was not the best food. It did not.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
Well, once again, we have a clear winner. Sorry, Dad. It was close, but no cigar.
I think the only winner here is anyone who didn't eat this.
Definitely anyone who didn't eat the chicken noodle soup one. Man, that was so bad.
It's gonna be like Christmas for Jobu, but more like a hate crime for anyone else.